Hi everyone, I've come on to share the cards that I've made with the Mermaid card kit. That is the monthly card kit box from Leslie's Crafts, which is Leslie Bromfield. I'll link a selling page below, and I've made my first 5 cards with the kit, so I thought I'd share them with you. So this is the first card that I've made. It's absolutely gorgeous. You're going to have to bear with me because my camera keeps auto-focusing. Maybe if I don't hold them up, that'll be better. It's the second one that I made. There we go. And that's the third one. These are absolutely gorgeous cards. That's the fifth one. And this is my favourite card that I've made, and this one is actually using the packaging. This fishtail is actually packaging from one of the packets in the kit. So like I did say in the initial video, you can even use the packaging to make cards. That's certainly true. And after I've made them 5 cards, this is everything that I have left in the box, and as you can see, I have got absolutely loads. So I'm a bit untidy. Loads and loads and loads left in the box to use. Those are the envelopes. Got all the paper. It's the die that I haven't used yet, and I've still got absolutely loads from the ephemera pack in here. Absolutely loads. I haven't actually used any of the ribbon yet. I've used some of the washi tape, as you've seen. Oops, just did that. So you get absolutely loads in the ephemera pack, loads and loads and loads. And I've only used one of the tags, so I shall be sharing other projects with you that I'm going to make with the kit, that'll be bringing in my own stamps and my dies, because I wanted to do the first 5 cards just really using just basic as I could do, you know, not bringing in my own stamps, not bringing in my own dies, just a paper cutter and a pair of scissors and the adhesive. So I shall be doing some more cards using blended backgrounds and bringing my own stamps in, like I say, and also using like my nesting dies as well. So basically use your stash, use what you've got, bring it in, incorporate it into the kit, so you expand it, which is what it's all about. So it's fantastic. So I hope you like the cards that I've made. I'll leave the links down below, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.